there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. Today we are diving into one of the most underused but powerful feature in Windows 11. Today in this video we will talk about voice typing. And if you are tired of typing a long email or document, this video will explain you how to dictate text efficiently and unlock the potential of voice typing in Windows 11. So stick around for actionable tips, hidden features and essential command that will transform how you type. So without further ado, let's dive in. And there we go. Now we are in our computer screen. First thing first, let's understand how we can activate voice typing. I would say it is super simple. All you need to do is you need to press Windows key and H button all together. And this will instantly bring up a voice typing toolbar as you can see here. And this toolbar will work across all the apps, whether you are in Word or a browser or even in messaging app. Let me quickly show you one such demo. For example, if we talk about Notepad, Notepad is one of the most lean or minimalistic application available in Windows. And here you will not see or find any fancy feature. So in such situation also you can utilize a Windows voice typing. All we need to do here is we need to just simply click inside Microsoft Notepad, and now I'm gonna hit Windows and H, and now I can start dictating and then it will able to recognize what I am saying. And there we go guys, here you can see as I am speaking the notepad is writing, and it really doesn't matter which app we are using. Now in order to stop dictation, all we need to do is we simply need to click on our screen like this, and then you will see the typing function stopped. And if you again want to continue writing, let's repeat the same step. I'm gonna click on this button and this will again start listening to what I am saying. Now we can also click on here to stop it. And one more important thing that I would like to tell you, you will require an active internet connection as Windows use cloud-based speech recognition. And as I mentioned before, you can utilize this voice typing function not only in Notepad but also in Microsoft Word and anywhere else. The only thing required is a text field or a data field. Now we just saw how we can type using voice typing. Now let's make sure your voice typing is fully optimized for workflow. For that, first of all, what we will do here is we will enable auto punctuation. This saves you the hassle of manually saying period or every few seconds. So now let's see how we can enable auto punctuation. For that, let's again press Windows and H, and now here we need to click on this setting gear icon, and then here you can see I actually have turned it on. From this setting you can turn it off and on. Okay, now let me write here something. To turn this on, just click on setting gear on the toolbar and toggle the auto punctuation switch. And there we go. Here we can see auto punctuation tried to add the full stop as well as question mark here. Okay, so it may happen in certain scenario, it may not work that perfectly. So I would say it totally depend on you if you would like to utilize auto punctuation or not. You can always toggle it on and off. If you toggle it off, then what we can do here is we can also say certain command manually. For example, to turn this on, comma, just click on the setting gear on the toolbar, full stop. Next line, toggling the auto punctuation switch, full stop. So in this way guys, also we can manually ask to add punctuation. Now let's talk about how we can improve accuracy of voice typing. First of all, make sure that you are using a good quality mic. Windows 11 does excellent job with its speech recognition, but the quality of your mic can make a huge difference. Next here, you need to make sure that your correct mic is selected. For that, let's again jump into our computer screen. And now here, I'm gonna click on Windows and then let's click here on settings. And in settings, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to system. And in system, let's search for sound. So here we can see the sound is there. And from here, you need to select the correct mic. So in my case, I think I already have selected correct mic, which is Shure MB7. Another thing what we can do is avoid excessive background noise for best result. Also keep your speech language settings aligned to your accent. For that, we need to look for time and language, which is here. And then here we need to click on speech. Now from here you need to choose appropriate language. So here seems like I already have installed only one voice package. Let's say I am more comfortable with English India. So I can basically add English India here. Okay. And then you can select that particular language here. Okay. But the good thing here with Windows 11 is now you're gonna get this option which says that recognize non-native accent for this language. So if you enable it, you will see that even non-native accent will be recognized by this language, which will further improve in identifying what we are saying. Now let's take our voice typing experience a notch with some voice command. This is where the voice typing became even more powerful. For example, let me actually open Microsoft Word, and then here what I can do is let me again start writing here. The quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. Select that. Delete that. So you see, these keywords can help you to select your word, delete it as well. Now let's talk about voice typing in Microsoft Word. If you are using the 365 version, then you can also utilize the inbuilt voice typing function available in Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Just you need to simply go to your Home tab, and on the rightmost side you will see this dictate function. Just you need to click on dictate and then you can start speaking. This works similarly to the built-in voice typing tool in Windows 11. And yes, auto punctuation is also available here too. That one can enable again by going to settings, and then here you need to click on enable auto punctuation. After enabling auto punctuation, now you will see that the necessary comma, full stop are being added automatically. Next line. Don't forget you can also customize your dictation further by adjusting the spoken language and enabling the profanity filter if you are working on professional or school projects. Sometimes you may also run into issues, then in that case you do not need to worry about. It is usually an easy fix. If your voice typing is not working, make sure that you are selecting correct microphone. Again, you can check that by going to settings. In settings, we have got this privacy and security, and then you need to look for speech. So make sure that this option is turned off. And now you are ready to take full advantage of voice typing in Windows 11. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to Technoholic to see for more productivity hacks. And if you have got any kind of questions or doubt, drop the comment with your favorite voice typing tip. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon with the next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.